In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook not syncing email in Windows. If your inbox isn't updating or messages are stuck in the outbox, these quick checks usually resolve the problem without complex setup. Start with a simple restart. Close Outlook completely, wait a few seconds for background processes to end, then reopen it. If that doesn't help, reboot your PC. A fresh start clears temporary glitches that can block syncing. Next, confirm your internet connection. Load a few websites to verify you're online. If pages are slow or failing, move closer to your Wi-Fi router or reboot the router. Weak or intermittent connectivity is a common reason Outlook won't sync. Check offline mode. Go to the Send/Receive tab in Outlook and look for the Work Offline button. If it's highlighted, click it to disable offline mode. When offline, Outlook shows Working Offline in the status bar and won't send or receive. Turning it off should show Connected and resume syncing. If the issue continues, repair Outlook. Open Windows Settings apps, find Outlook, and choose Advanced Options or Modify depending on your version. Select Repair. This fixes damaged app files while preserving your data and settings. Close Outlook before repairing, then reopen it and test. Finally, repair your account inside Outlook. Go to File Account Settings, select the account, and click Repair. Follow the prompts. Outlook will revalidate configuration and may ask you to sign in again. Let it finish, restart Outlook, and send a quick test message to yourself to confirm syncing. These steps: restart, check internet, disable Work Offline, repair the app, and repair the account, solve most sync problems. Test after each step to find what worked. If syncing still fails, the issue may be server-side or require IT support, but usually one of these fixes gets your mail flowing again. Tell me if you want a shorter voiceover, captions, or a checklist for viewers. Thanks. Enjoy.